staking mechanism of the Origin platform provides users with a unique way to participate, both to earn profits and to participate in platform governance. By holding and staking LGNS tokens for an extended period, users become consensus members and promoters of the protocol and obtain continuous investment and compound interest returns. The Origin protocol will automatically calculate and distribute these earnings to the user's staking account. The core idea of staking is to encourage long-term investment. When users choose to hold and stake their LGNS tokens for the long term, they not only contribute to the stability and development of the platform, but also receive continuous investment returns, plus the compound interest effect. This mechanism is designed to reward investors with the foresight and patience, whose long-term commitment is critical to maintaining the health and vitality of the Origin ecosystem. Stake and unstake. Enter the official website and select stake. Participants will send their LGNS holdings into the stake contract and obtain their LGNS at a 1-to-1 ratio. SLGNS is a certificate for users to participate in staking. It has no other purpose except holding. When the user releases the mortgage, he will send SLGNS to the stake contract.